What's up guys, I'm John and you're watching Johnny Fabs, and today we're installing some 5-point harnesses in our Datsun 280ZX. So we have these Summit Racing aluminum seats, and we have these GForce racing gear cam lock 5-point harness. So it has a quick cam lock, and so we're going to be installing those in today, mounting them to the floor roll cage and then under the seat for the fifth mount. So we have the harnesses, and then we also bought some different mounts. These are able to weld on to the floor to the cage, and then you would bolt them, the harness to them. And then I also bought these separate. These are locking, a quick release style with the eye bolts. So you could just drill a hole, mount them with this, and then just clip the harness on. So I just bought these on Summit, and we can change them out if it fits our application better. So we're going to get into installing it. So I decided to go with the quick release style with the eye bolt. These are 3 7/16 thread, and I'm going to use this as my guide on where to place the hole. I have a piece right here of 1/4 inch flat stock underneath the sheet metal floor, so I'm going to drill through that, and that way it gives it a little more strength, a little bit better place to tie into on this car. So I'm going to go ahead and drill the hole out for it right now. So you can see I drilled the 7/16 hole, put the bolt in, and I used the washer on the top and the bottom side, and then I clipped the harness in with the quick connect. So if I did have to take the seat out or I needed new harnesses, I could just pull this clip back and pull it out rather than unbolting it, so it makes it a little easier. So we got our 3 quick release mounts bolted through the floor, and have the big washers with the nut on the bottom. And then this one's going to be for the 5th mount that goes through the center of the seat. And then we have our mounts wrapped around the cage, and just using the straps, and those will go through the seats. So now we just got to put the seats back in and test fit. So we just finished the install of our new 5-point racing harnesses. It's pretty simple install, just 3 bolt holes and those quick releases, and then mounting it on the roll bar. So it looks pretty good, came out good. We did open this hole up more because these seats we shrunk down just to fit in here. So these seats were sectioned, so we had to open this hole up, and but it fits good now, and the harnesses look good. So I think that's going to be it for this video, and peace.